Alrighty, we're gonna get a trade walkthrough going with W. So W was a pivot machine gun on the weekly that triggered today, and we did pretty solid on that. So since whenever we get a solid play, we're just gonna go over it to kind of show what a good play looks like. We're gonna start here. So yesterday, W, nice PMG weekly with a green hammer. We are all watching this starting on Saturday night, as you can see. Look at the W weekly, and that was 5.8, which is going to put you at Saturday. So we were talking about this before, and we said it was going to happen before, and all this shows is we have this huge pivot machine gun, and all a pivot machine gun is 5 or more candles that have yet to make a new high, and you can see this candle lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles yet to make a new high. So it's a nice pivot machine gun. And you can see how that's traded. So we just take the break of the first high, and that's going to be hammer 2-2 reversal to the upside off the weekly over 307.12. So we're going to go down to the 15-minute, and you can see actually it was a fiver. So we entered off the fiver, and this is, I got stopped out of this. A lot of other people actually got back in or stayed in for the inside 15er. So you can see we get the 225er after getting our entry here, or early entry on the hammer. And I got stopped out right here, which in hindsight, stupid thing to do, but we did alert the inside 15er. And you can see inside 15er, 2 up, and then double inside 15er and run off to the races. So just so you guys know I'm not lying, you can see W right here. So W inside 15er if there's any hope for it. So the whole market looked like it was turning around, so I was thinking W might just fall back in, but that inside 15er went slightly, and then we got this inside 30 right here. So 9:56, 4 minutes before the new 30, and you can see so is the one that actually got us into the trade. So it was over 311, and this is our first magnitude off of the weekly 320, and you can see we hit this one, and nearly this one. We got a daily target up in here, but we'll go back down to the 30. So the way that this works is you get your entry here inside 30 and up. You could throw your stop at the bottom here, or you could go down to a lower time frame and tighten up your stop a bit. So it would have been inside 15 and up over this with your stop right here. So it'd be a stop of about $1. And the way you do that is you take that, and once it goes, move your stop to break even, and then you get 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, boom, 2, 2 reversal against you. This was your first reversal against you. So this is where you're supposed to either get out or you wait for the triangle layout, which this looks like a deeper triangle layout for maybe a continuation tomorrow. But we'll pull up those contracts quickly so you can kind of see how much money that would have netted you. I called out since these were very spready, I just had to pick the ones with the best spreads. And I called out the 340, which was the one that I was playing this morning at around $80 was the entry on that. And a lot of other people are playing with the 325s and the 330s. And you can see the 337.5 went around 700%, which is because of the crappy spread. But that is going to be around 300% on a Monday, whichever contract you took. So that's pretty solid for a Monday. If it was later in the week, it would have been around 800, 700, just because of less theta value on the contracts. But great way to start the week, and hopefully there's going to be more videos like this going into the end of the week, because we still have some other plays that triggered and are kind of still working. So I'll probably see you later this week. So hopefully you have a nice one and that was beneficial to you guys.